I'm Gary Herman with the Alexander County Economic Development Corporation. We're working on our Buy Local campaign to encourage our citizens and our visitors to support our local businesses and our local economy. This is the Alexander County Business Spotlight. We're here at Nationwide Insurance. It's Thomas Insurance. They're located at 105 Hiddenite Church Road here in Hiddenite. It's my honor to be with Cindy Sellers. She runs the local Nationwide agency here in Hiddenite and Alexander County. It's a pleasure to be here in your new office. You've got a lot of paintings or new painting and some designs on the wall here. You've recently renovated, so it looks really good. Thanks for letting us come out, Cindy.
Thanks for coming out. We'd love to help anyone with all their insurance needs. And we've got these fire marks on the wall behind us. And back in the early 1900s, if you didn't have one of these on your wall outside of your house, the fire company wouldn't come and fight your fire. So, and my dad earned these over the years selling home insurance policies. So that's how we got them. And they're replicas of way things used to be back in the early part of the century, 19th century.
Yeah, and what Cindy's referring to are these fire plaques here. If you didn't have one outside your house, the fire department would not help you put out your fire. So, and you mentioned your dad, of course. Got a long history here in Hiddenite and Alexander County. Of course, your dad is Raeford Thomas. A lot of folks will know Raeford. Great guy. I've known him for years and respect him. So you've taken over the agency from him. Is that correct? And when did he start the business, and then when did you take over?
In 1969, he became an agent here in Hiddenite, and Harvey Fincannon was the previous agent that he took over the business for. So we have some people that have been here since the 50s and maybe earlier with Harvey. And then 61, he became the agent. And then in 2000, I'd been a teacher and I came here full time. And in 2003, I became the agent, and Dad was still here. And my mom, they both had run this agency for 50-some years, and we'd been here since 1961.
1961, so I'll do some math. I'm going to say you're about 53 years old then. Not you, but because you're 29 still, 29 and holding, but your business has been around for about 53 years, something like that. So anyway, we're honored to have you here in the community, and thank you for all that you do. And now, tell us a little bit more about the business itself. Of course, you're nationwide. That's a nationwide business, of course. So what types of insurance and services do you offer here?
We have all kinds of insurance, except for we don't carry health insurance, but we can write your home. If you're renting, we can do a tenant policy for you. If you have a motorcycle, a boat, trucks, we have business insurance where we can do your business, and we can do life insurance. We can insure your life so you leave your family prepared when you pass away, and leave your children in good shape as far as whatever their needs may be dependent on their age. And I think I about covered it all.
Yeah, I think you did. I mean, your main things are home, auto, and life, and I think you do bundles and things that can save some people money. So I can personally attest to the customer service and to the good quotes and everything that you have here. We're a customer here. My family here at Cindy Sellers and Thomas Insurance, so invite you to come on down and visit her and her friendly staff, and they'll fix you up with some insurance. If you're looking at you got your bill in the mail, it's too high, come down here and let her look over your coverage, and they can hook you up. So now, you were across the street here on Hiddenite Church Road, but you moved to this I guess it was a house that you've moved into here now. When did that happen?
I think, 7 or 8 years ago, we just moved right across the street from the Fincannon, the prior agency over there. And so we're just right beside Hiddenite Methodist Church, across from the Hiddenite Center, and up behind Family Dollar now.
Yep.
So.
And speaking of Hiddenite Center, you are on the Hiddenite Center Board of Directors. I think you're the secretary for that for the board there, and you do a great job for that. So, and are you in the Rotary Club, seems like also?
Yes. Yes.
What other types of civic activities are you involved in?
I am in the Rotary Club and enjoy delivering the backpacks during the school year to Hiddenite School to help the children there on the weekends that don't have food during the school year. We also participate in the Hiddenite Food Pantry in the old fire department in Hiddenite. I'm on the board over here at Hiddenite Methodist Church, who's right beside of us, and enjoy that. And that's the main things that I do.
Well, I'd say that's probably enough. You stay busy, I'm sure. So, but anyway, you got a great business here in Alexander County. And tell us a little bit, why, in your opinion, why do people need to keep their business here in Alexander County? I mean, the economy might be struggling a little bit and has been since the recession. So it's more important than ever to keep your hard-earned money right here in Alexander County, right?
It sure is. We appreciate all your business. We've had some people for 50, 60 years here, if you include Mr. Fincannon's office over there. And we really enjoy helping our folks that come in. You can come in. We're online. You can call us and pay on the phones now, which is really nice. And we have a phone service 24 hours a day where you can call our number, and it connects with the 24-hour, 24/7, 365, where we can take your payments all the time. But you need to stay local so that we can help our local businesses. We don't want everything to leave this county, and we try to do business with people who do business with us also. We think that's really important. So we try to do all the business we can in this county, as far as our personal business too.
Right, and being a local merchant, if you look behind us here, you can see the 2014 National Championship, the Alexander Central Lady Cougars. You've got a signed jersey from them. That's because you're a supporter of the team. So just shows a local merchant giving back to the community, and you'll see that more and more from your local merchants versus someone from out of the county. They're not going to care about us, but you do. So I think with you've got that personal touch, that extra customer service. You care about your customer. So
yeah, we appreciate that, Gary. And we have Monty Sherrill's Insurance, and we'd love to help any of the rest of you guys. We really support the softball team. My sister, Laura Thomas Laws, was on the very first softball team years ago. And, of course, we've always supported all the athletics in the county, as my family has been very heavily involved in school and since in all kinds of athletics and the teams that we try to support. We love sports. We love academics, both.
Yeah, I think that's our county in general. That's one of the main things we've got here is our recreation, our sports, and being one high school community. We can all rally behind the same team and enjoy that. So now, to get in touch with you, like I said, you're located at 105 Hiddenite Church Road. The phone number is 632-4621, I believe. 4261. Sorry about that. I guess dyslexia or something. Anyway, 632-4261. So come on down to Hiddenite and visit Nationwide Insurance, Thomas Insurance, and they'll fix you up with some insurance here in Alexander County. Buy local, Alexander County. To learn more about our Buy Local Alexander County campaign, visit the Alexander County EDC website, alexanderedc.org, or give me a call, 828-632-1378. Buy Local Alexander County.